Hello, everybody. Welcome to 21 million. I have a few things to go over today. I think we're seeing a little downside today. Let's take a quick look at the market, and then we'll get into some charts, and then we'll get into the cyber attack. No big deal. Possible cyber attack. I mean, just a normal Wednesday. Sorry, I got to fix my camera. Not right. Okay. So let's take a look at the market. We have, and actually, guys, before we go any further, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Please just take a second, just like the video, subscribe. It helps me out a lot. It keeps me a little motivated. I like seeing the likes. So we have a market cap at just over $1 trillion, 24-hour volumes at 67 billion. So the market's coming down and the volume's going up. Okay, so that's bearish. It looks like people are looking to get the shorts. They're shorting the market. The bears are here. We have a Bitcoin dominance at 41.3%. It's down a little bit. ETH dominance is up. Like I was saying, Bitcoin came down a little bit. Alts are going to follow. So Bitcoin's at 22,545 right now. Ethereum's at 1623. BNB's at 317. That's definitely, they're all down actually. 39 cents is XRP. I think that's what it was yesterday. Yeah, it's down less than 0.2%. Cardano's at 38 cents, similar to what it was yesterday. Dogecoin's under 9 cents. Matic's at $1.29. And the other one I've been keeping an eye on is ApeCoin. I put a video out yesterday about it, this morning, at $5.50. It was $5.66 earlier, so it's down a little bit from this morning. I just to reiterate what I said this morning in my video, I just like the idea that ApeCoin has the 100% staking pool right now. It's super easy to use. Hook up with your MetaMask wallet, and you get good gain on something that once this starts to catch on and people start staking more, just for the sheer fact that they're going to try getting in, they're going to drive the price up. So just keep that in mind. The ApeCoin, and you can with the ApeCoin you can stake without having to own the NFT, which I thought was cool. So now let's go over. Let's trading view. Just 1 second. 1 second, guys. Hold on, I'm having a problem. But no worries. Here we go. Fixed it. Okay. So let's look on the 4 hour. Let's go to the weekly like I normally do. So weekly, same thing. Weekly looks bullish. The problem we have here, guys, I'm going to cut to the chase. It's starting to the lower time frames, and it's starting to bleed into the higher time frames. So we have the 4 hour. Like I said yesterday, we had a breakout, a test, which was proven to be rejected. So now we're going to go down. We're going to test the downside. This is a strong support area. I don't think we're going to hold this. I don't think this is the test. I think we're going to come down. We're going to test down here. And like I had said, there was a head and shoulders, and it looks like it's going to play out that way. I mentioned that in the video yesterday. But the problem is now, so yesterday I did the 8 hour. So let's look back at the 8 hour. It looks like we're going to see lows. The momentum's coming down. The money flow is pointing down. It looks like that's what's happening. Now let's look at the 12 hour. Same thing. We got a red momentum dot. Momentum's coming down on market cipher B. Money's coming out. RSI is pointing down. It looks like we're going to see lows. It looks like that's inevitable. It's going to happen. So now does it start to, well, obviously it's bleeding to the daily. Are we going to start seeing major, cascading? I think this support level that I have here around 20,005 to 20,007, this area over here is strong, really strong. So this, you can see there was issues here, test here, test here, test here, here. And then if you go back to previous areas, you can see kind of bumped its head here, checked it on the way up. And then the one that we're at right now, you can see it kind of checked it here. But this one coincides with or similar to the top in 2017. So this, I think, is very strong. And I think if we came down and touched this, it's normal. That's going to be healthy. And then to find nice support here and then to move up. That's what I think is going to happen. But it could take time. This could play out next, month. This could take some time. What I did do today is I put a couple shorts in. Okay, so I think it's going to come down a little bit. All signs are pointing. There was a big one I saw. Let me just show you. So I know I put a video talking about ApeCoin today, but ApeCoin has a blood diamond. It's super bearish. So it might start to, you might see a little downside. And the other one that I put a short in on is Polygon, Matic. And I like that. I own it, but it just hasn't seen the red yet. And if Bitcoin goes down and the whole market goes down, Matic's going to follow. So it might be a good time to maybe get involved there on putting a short. Okay? So just my 2 cents. Let's look at a couple more things, ladies and gentlemen. If you got a second, please like I've been saying, just like and subscribe. Let me see what I got here. So I'm going to talk about the shutdown yesterday. So Twitter went down yesterday, Instagram goes down, Facebook goes, Meta goes down, and then you have McDonald's app goes down, Fox News. There's a bunch of them, but there's other things. So on the 5th, Italy faces major internet outage, and a Twitter post NetBlocks wrote, confirmed Italy is in the midst of a major internet outage with high impact to leading operator Telecom Italia. It added real-time network data show national connectivity at 26% of ordinary levels, incident ongoing. It is unclear why the internet went down in Italy. No official statement has been made, but the watchdog revealed that Italy's international connectivity has impacted several major cities. So is that a coincidence? Does Italy's internet go down 3 days ago, 4 days ago, whatever it was? And then we have major issues? But there's more. So now you have FAA shut down, further delays expected after 10,000 grounded flights fiasco. So this is from almost a month ago. So after discovering an outage in its computerized notice to air emissions systems, which helps guide air traffic and provide crucial instructions to pilots, overnight the FAA ordered all flights within, into, or out of the U.S. across the country to be grounded until 9 a.m. Coincidence? Is it a coincidence? But there's more. Trading restored after dozens of stocks were halted on New York Stock Exchange after opening bell. So I don't know which ones. I mean, the whole country. I think the article for Italy, it was 26% was available. 20% of ordinary levels was at 26%. So 74% was down. Okay, then you have no flights. And then you have the New York Stock Exchange trading of several stocks, including big names such as AT&T, McDonald's, and Verizon, was restored after being halted in early trading hours Tuesday on the New York Stock Exchange for an unexplained technical issue. So what day was that? That was on January 24th. So you have the flights shut down, then you have the New York Stock Exchange shut down, halted, and then you have Italy, like the whole country almost shut down, and then you have what we had, and then you have the things that didn't make the news. You know, what other things happened that didn't make the news? So, I don't know. Is there shenanigans going on? Was there a cyber attack? Is it all just a coincidence? I'm curious what you guys think. Take a moment and drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think, because it's super bizarre. Next thing I just want to run through. Coinbase CEO hearing rumors that staking could be banned in the United States. He said it allows users to participate directly in running open crypto networks. Staking brings many positive improvements to the space, including scalability, increased security, and reduced carbon footprints. The number 2 blockchain, Ethereum, recently merged from a proof-of-stake mining consensus mechanism to secure the blockchain to proof-of-stake. In the process, it halted a country-sized annual power bill. So a country-sized annual power bill. When staking crypto, he told the Senate hearing in September, the investing public is anticipating profits based on efforts of others. So they don't care about the environment. They don't care about staking. They don't care about crypto as long as they got what's coming to them. They just have their hand out. It's all that matters. We should just sit down with, the SEC and the Fed and just be like, listen, what do you guys want? What do you guys want? And let's just move on, because that's what it comes down to. They have their hand out. So they know what they're doing. So to say, there's rumors, we might shut it down, the staking. First it was, let's shut down the miners because of the electricity, the carbon footprint. But then that's solved. So now it's, well, how can we shut them down? So, you're dealing with they just have that, it's a threat. And they are going to get rid of the threat or get paid. They're not going to, it's a stick-up job. But that's what I have for you guys today. Take a moment, just like and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Thank you.